Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back. So today I'm going to be working in my bedroom to remove all of the Christmas decor, do some light cleaning, and then redecorate the room. I'm participating in a Hop Around the House collab hosted by Nicole Northgarden Home and Garden. Nicole has rounded up quite a few friends here on YouTube, and we're all sharing a different space of our home while we clean and decorate it. These videos are always fun to watch, so when you are done watching my video, check out the link down in the description box for the next house to hop to, and as you follow the hop around from home to home, you'll eventually make your way back to me. So as you can see, I have gone around the room and picked up all the little bits of Christmas decor that I still had in the room. I had previously removed all of the garland that I had above my bed and on different areas of the room because it was getting very crispy. After all the little stuff is picked up, the next thing I like to do is change out my artwork. I have two large frames that I like to switch up, and to make things easier for myself, I keep all the artwork for those frames inside the frame. So then when I go and decide I want to change things up, all the artwork that fits in this frame or I've used in the frame in the past is already right there, and I don't have to go scrounging around the house for it. As a match, I actually use the back side of this gorgeous print that I picked up at IKEA. It's got this beautiful flower on it. So I just flip it over, add my artwork to the back of it with a small piece of painter's tape so that it doesn't shift around, and then I close up the frame and hang it back up on the wall. Super quick and easy. I switched out the artwork on the other side of the room as well, and then I am ready to do a little cleaning. I'm not going to be giving the room a deep cleaning at this time. I normally do that the second week of January, so that is coming. So right now I just want to basically dust the room and get it a little spruced up before I put up a new decor. I don't even have to vacuum because I just did that the other day as well. After I removed the crispy greenery, it kind of made a bit of a mess, so I quickly vacuumed it. So basically all I really need to do today is to give it a dusting, and then I can go ahead and start decorating. Which, I don't know about you guys, but to me cleaning is boring and decorating is oh so much fun.
Take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
As you can see, I did leave some of the decor items out that I knew I was going to reuse, like these little lights and this beautiful tin. My goal is to create a cozy, relaxing retreat for myself that I can go to at the end of the day when I'm done with my work to just relax and unwind, watch TV, read a book, or cuddle with my fur babies. So what I plan to do is add a lot of twinkle lights and flameless candles so I don't have to use the harsh overhead or side table lamps. On my husband's bedside table, I added a diffuser, which is a great alternate light source as well. I added a few decorative items to go along with the diffuser, as well as this really cool old bottle, which I'm using as a water decanter so I can quickly add more water to the diffuser. On my side of the bed, I started with a vintage clock, then I added a little book, and on top of that I added this little floral arrangement so I could add just a little pop of red. I found this cute little house, and then I also added a little votive candle.
I'm in for the fight. trust you when you say.
On top of my husband's dresser, I added an oil lamp. And then this glass covered candle holder, which my mom gave me, which I think is so fun. And finally, on top of this stack of books, I added a vintage clock. This candle holder from my mom is actually supposed to be for a taper candle, but I realized that I could put a little tea light right in the top and it works absolutely perfectly. So although it has a little bit of a Christmas theme to it, I thought I could get away with it for a little bit longer. On top of the hutch in the corner, I have a few things that is left over from Christmas, and I thought what I would do was add a few more of my tin houses because the two small ones light up. I bought those at Michael's a few years ago, and they are so pretty. The large one in the middle, I put flameless candles in, and it is just beautiful. I love these little houses so much. I also decided to add just a little bit of greenery. This is a mixture of a couple different types of branches, and it also has some pine cones and a few little red berries. So I thought that worked nicely. And then I also kept my little string lights up there as well. And because I can't get enough of the twinkle lights, I added this curtain twinkle light set that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, I think last year, maybe the year before. And I just strung it across my curtain rod. So at night, it is so beautiful. To the shelf above my bed, I wanted it to keep very, very simple. So I layered a candelabra on top of a book and then added some flameless candles. And then I repeated the same thing on the opposite side. And I think this is such a fun look. Plus, it'll give me a little more candlelight. The candles I'm actually using are ones that I found at the thrift store last year. I can't remember how many, like 10 of them maybe. They're actually made for Christmas. But these are awesome in the fact that they are battery operated and they come on at the same time every night for about 6 hours, and I love them so much. Next, I wanted to add a little bit of greenery, so I found this little clump at Hobby Lobby. I don't know what it is called, if it has a name or not, but I like the look of it, and so I used my wire cutters to cut it into small little chunks that I can tuck in here and there. The greenery did a great job of softening things up just a little bit and finishing off the look. And finally, I'm going to switch out some of the bedding. Basically, I'm just going to change up the throw pillows. I found some fabric at Walmart. It's by Waverly, and it comes in 2-yard lengths. So I made some pillow cushions for my IKEA pillow inserts. I have a tutorial on how to make these over on my DIY channel. They are quick and easy and my go-to whenever I want a new look for my pillows. I am loving this fabric. I think it is adorable. And finally, I added this circle pillow. It's velvet. It's from Hobby Lobby. I bought it months ago and I've been waiting to use it, and I think it looks fabulous. And of course, a cozy, comfy throw blanket is a must. So I chose this dark charcoal colored plush blanket to add to the end of the bed, and Zoe just happened to show up at the right time to help me get it situated perfectly. All in all, the room turned out lovely, and I am so happy and pleased with the results, but it's at night where it is the most wonderful. So of course I wanted to be able to share that with you as well, even though my skills at recording in the dark are not very good, but you'll get the general idea, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Here you can see hubby and I enjoying our cozy space along with the fur babies, and they're loving all the attention they're getting. On this particular night, we were watching a football game, so touchdown Packers! I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun decorating my room and making it super cozy for the long winter months. Make sure you go check out the next video in our hop around the house by using the link down in the description box. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye now!